Assalamu alaikum dear parents. I am Sheikh Wasima. Welcome to all on Royals Educate channel. Hello children. Today I am going to tell you a story who did not like to do homework and a elf who did help him to do homework. So let's start. English Honeysuckle Class 6 Chapter 1 Who did Patrick's homework? Written by Carol Morey. Who did Patrick homework? Patrick. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey, basketball, and Nintendo instead. So, we find that the story is about a boy called Patrick. Patrick never used to do his homework. Too boring, he said. Instead doing his homework, he used to play hockey, basketball and Nintendo. Nintendo is a kind of video game. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework. You won't learn a thing. And it's true. His teachers always tell him that Patrick, you need to do your homework. Otherwise, you won't able to learn anything. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Ignoramus means an ignorant person who lacked education. And sometimes he felt that he is uneducated, but still there was no other way left for him because he hated homework like anything. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. So one day what happened? He finds his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. The meaning of grab is to snatch away, that is what he considered to be a doll. Was not a doll at all. It was a small man. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. So what was the dress the tiniest man was wearing? He was wearing a woolen shirt and breeches. And what is breeches? Breeches is a basically old-fashioned trouser, and also was wearing a hat which was tall and high like that of witch. He shouted and said, Please Patrick, don't give me to that cat. Instead, what will I do? You can wish anything to me and I will promise I will give it to you. Patrick could not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, Only if you do my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. Now Patrick was very happy and considered himself to be very lucky. Patrick said that I can save you from the cat only if you promise to do my homework till the end of the semester, that 35 days. And you need to do my homework, so very good that I can get grade A. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed, but I will do it. Hamper means a basket with a lid. Dishcloth means a cloth used for washing dishes. And Grimes scowled, pursed his lips. It's mean his face had this expression showing disgust, anger and disapproval. So what happened? After listening to the wish of Patrick, the elf or the tiniest man was very angry. This gesture that kicked his legs, doubled his fist, these all gestures shows that how angry the tiniest man. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. Glitch means a fault, hitch or problem. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. As the elf has already promised that he is going to do his homework, so he started doing his homework, but this elf has a small problem. He always faced problem and he used to say, help me. And finally, it was only Patrick who had helped him out. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Know what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So the elf shouted on Patrick's, saying that it is not knowing this word. And he said that, Patrick, please get me a dictionary. Or it would be a better that you go through the dictionary, find the word and please let me know what does the mean. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times table? The elf shrieked. Shred gave a short high-pitched cry. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Now when the elf have solved Patrick's math, and what happened? He was not able to understand table and he shouted, I have never done such maths or such table before. And he asked Patrick that, please Patrick, you need to help me and guide me, then I will be able to do your homework. You please beside me and guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library, I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. So elf says that not know any about the human history. These all things are mystery for elf. So he shouted and asked Patrick to go to the library and bring more and more books and to read it and help him out with his homework. As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than even and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, and was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Nag means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. And drag means something dull and uninteresting. So what happened? Each and every day or day after day, the elf started nagging Patrick to do his homework or to help him out. So Patrick used to work harder and harder. And that happened, he used to keep himself awake late night, or he used to feel tired, and when he went next day to school, his eyes were puffed. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As from homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Slyly, secretly. So finally, what happened? The last day of school arrived. It was the day when the elf was free to go. So what did he do? He just quietly and secretly he moved away from the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude like he had developed a whole attitude. Kid means child. Chores means work that must be done every day, often boring. Attitude, a feeling about someone or something. So finally, it was result day. Patrick got his result, and to everyone's amazement, what happened? Patrick scored a great A. The teachers were very happy. They were smiling and they all praised him. His parents were also very surprised and wondered seeing the change in Patrick. He could be considered as a good child that is used to clean his room. He was very cheerful, he was never rude, and he had a new attitude towards life and studies. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he would make that tiny man to do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It was not the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Here the writer says that the Patrick used to think that it was elf who used to do his homework, but the secret is that it was not the elf who was doing the homework for Patrick. Rather, it was Patrick who was helping himself to do the homework. Who did Patrick's homework? It was not the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe.